Hey guys, getting ready for your close family members or your best friend's wedding and you want to go a little heavy with a traditional outfit? Here's a really simple yet very elegant look for you. This is perfect for the occasion and I think you should definitely try this out. Also, wearing this outfit was a complete disaster and I had to walk like a penguin. The whole thing is not visible on camera, so it's fine for me. So please appreciate my effort and like this video. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how to get this really pretty makeup look. I'm totally digging this and I'm really excited to share this with y'all. I mean, just look at it. Oh yeah, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you all how to get this and I'm so excited and I really hope you guys are as excited as I am. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Hey, wait a moment, have you subscribed to my channel as yet? If you have, then thank you so much guys, and if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. With that, let's get right into the video. To begin with, I'm gonna be applying this primer by Insight Cosmetics. I'm just gonna take a little on my hand and I'm gonna apply it on my face. I have already finished prepping my skin. Make sure you shake your foundation well before use so that the pigments come together. I'm using this one by L'Oreal Infallible in the shade Sable Sand. But before I apply my foundation, I'm just gonna go ahead and color correct. I'm gonna be using an orange color corrector by Elegol Cosmetics on my pigmented areas. Okay, here's one of the behind the scenes. When I was filming the video, the current suddenly went off. No, shooting isn't that easy as it looks. Why does this always happen when I'm shooting? Oh, why? I mean, it's not a bad thing. I get bloopers. I'm just trying to be optimistic in the situation. Now I'm just gonna be blending it in with the help of my ring finger. I'm also gonna be applying a little bit over here. Hey, this is the perfect Halloween look. The reason I'm color correcting is because I want everything to look flawless and I don't want any patches. If you want, you can use your beauty blender as well. That would work too. Why? Once you're done with that, make sure you blend it in really well using your finger. This is especially good if you have any rashes on your face. Now I'm going to be taking my foundation and I'm just going to be applying it. First, I'm just going to use my spoon brush to apply it on my face. And then once I'm done with applying it all over my face like a thick layer, I'm going to be taking my beauty blender and I'm going to be blending it. As always, don't forget your neck. Okay, look at this. It looks way too weird, so I'm just gonna be taking this beauty blender and blending it out. So what do we say? You guys know it already.
Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, blend, blend.
Take your time guys, you have all the time. Just pretend you have all the time in the world and just try to be perfect with your base. Because a good base is equal to good makeup. Yeah, I'm just trying to be over dramatic, but that's how I can convince y'all. Pretty happy with my base. I'm gonna be moving on to my concealer. So I'm gonna be using my favorite concealer. And I'm using my favorite concealer, which is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm gonna be applying a little on my under eyes and I'm going a little heavy because I need it, and also I'm gonna be highlighting my high points. I'm gonna go in with the 2016 style concealer. And again, what do we do?
Blend, 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 blend.
So just so that you all know that it actually takes a long time and it isn't as quick as it looks.
Blend, 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 blend.
I try my best always not to apply concealer on my eyebrows, but it never works. I have concealer on my eyebrows always. I've also gone ahead and finished baking my face, so I'm just gonna be taking my brush and dusting out the excess powder. If you don't want to bake your face, you can also go ahead with a light setting powder and set your entire face. Guys, after shooting the entire video, I just realized that the camera was not recording. So okay, I'm just gonna do it all over again. Basically I broke my palette. I just wanna cry right now. I just wanna cry. So any which ways, I'm just gonna be contouring my face. And then I applied my blush on. So basically I used this Very Me blush on, and this is way too pigmented, so I just took a little bit and I applied it a little bit. I'm gonna show it all over again. Just a little bit goes a long way, and it took me a lot of time to blend it. I can't believe this happened, but that's fine, it's all a part of life. And I used my highlighter and highlighted my face, and I also contoured my nose. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I removed this side of my makeup, and I'm gonna show you all over again. I've also gone ahead and done my eyebrows. I've used this eyebrow pencil and I've filled in my eyebrows. So I'm gonna be taking this light brown shade here from my Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette in the shade Latte, and I'm gonna be buffing it on my crease and a little above. Blending this, I'm gonna be using this dark brown shade and blending it on my crease. It's from the same palette, it's called Caffeine Fix, and I'm gonna be applying it on top of the previous shade, but I'm just gonna concentrate a little. How did it not get recorded? I'm gonna use the shade Super Gold from the same palette. Such a blunder. Anyways, it's okay, it's all a part of life. But trust me guys, I'm just saying it's a part of life. From inside I just wanna scream. I'm taking this foiled gold shade and apply it on the center. This shade is called Golden Coins, and I'm just gonna be applying it on the center of my eyelid. So it's a golden foiled shade, and I'm just gonna apply it there. Now as you can see, there's a lot of fallout, so I just want to go ahead and clean it up. Then I'm gonna be taking my pencil brush and merging the same shades I used on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to be using this silver shade from here, and I'm going to be applying it on my inner corner. It's a silver shade, but it turns golden. It's kind of iridescent. So I'm going to apply it here and also on my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking my liner and I'm just gonna be applying a winged eyeliner. This changes the whole look. If you want, you can skip it. Done with my eyeliner, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara. I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Lash Sensation mascara. I applied mascara both on my upper and lower lashes. And now for the final step, I'm gonna finish off with a red lipstick. I'm using this one by Menno Kedar. So that is it for this video guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Also please support me guys. I can get better content for y'all, like 10, 20 and 30 times better content if you support me, because your support really means the world to me. That is it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you all super soon with another video. Until then, bye. Really pretty video. I wish I could show you the full thing, but I had to face so much just to film this much. I'm not gonna say this now, wait. Let it be a happy one. Do it all over again. Anyways, it's okay. It's all a part of life.
12 seconds later.
Go ahead and then I'm gonna go ahead. That it turned out so pretty and it didn't get recorded. Oh my god. In my So guys, oh my god, it's so hilarious. Why did I cry for that? I mean, hats off to all the bloggers out there. I mean, if you lose clips, how can you not cry? I took 2 hours to film everything and everything is just gone.